Yo, that's it. We're done with the water parkour for this day. And now, we're preparing to go out to eat dinner. And then as well as walk outside. Ayan, oh, nag-ready si Ollie. Oh, outfit check. Yo, lalakad kami sa labas. Tambay lang, you know. Feel the, what do you call that?
Feel the ray in your skin.
Feel the
ray on your skin.
And then lalakad-lakad lang kami sa labas. So, check what's outside. Kung anong meron around our hotel, around our place. And then after that, tulog na maaga kasi bukas pupunta kaming. Tadi punta bukas Yab. Saan kayo pupunta? Barcelona with the kids. Lego?
Come na po eh.
Let's go? Lego. That's a long Ollie. Got some ribs, kuya.
Real what?
Real fly.
I thought it was fake. But it was real.
Okay, cheers. Cheers. So yun na nga, nabusog na kami. And then si kuya found some friends or friend in the hotel. So nakiki-hangout siya. Then kami. Kami, ano ba biling? Ano gagawin natin?
Ito, may sinasabi to sa akin. What did you just feed me?
Baby, you buy a toy for me.
Ha?
You buy a toy for me.
Sabi niya kanina, Mom, definitely you really have to buy me a toy.
Better.
Better.
Better. Why?
So, binabalaan mo.
Why better buy a toy?
Because Mama might forgot.
Might
Okay.
forget. Okay. Dito ba?
Oh yeah. So, bibili kami ng supplies, water. What else, Mommy?
Water and snacks.
Bye, guys.
Or,
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Water and snacks. And then, baka tingin-tingin na rin kung anong pwedeng mabili. Right?
yes.
So, you will see what's around Santa Susana. Ikot-ikot kami about around here. May mga bars, and then shops. And then what else mo makikita dito, Yab?
Ano na lang, mga restaurant.
Oh yeah, okay, let's go. Resorts, restaurants, and then shops.
Ito da dulo.
Sinabi ko na ba shop?
Oo.
Maybe. Let's go.
You're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. What's up?
Good day, family and friends. We are here in Girona, Spain, where you can see the
Game of Thrones,
Game
right?
of Thrones location. So we've been here already like 2017, I think.
Bata pa si Igo na nila.
Like Olivia ka lang.
Like this
So,
age.
kasama na namin ito si Kaines. Na wala ibang ginawa kundi mag-taytay.
Yeah. So, we're gonna roam around and see what's in here. See you. Boom.
Klappat hakten alla Guldfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Guldfest hela dagen. har vi alltid gjort, så det är bullfest, bullfest hela dagen. Vakten alla bullfest, bullfest hela dagen.
Yes, you have to take turns.
Livets barn, bullfest, bullfest, bullfest hela dagen. Stort, det har vi alltid gjort, så det magra och tjocka, hur ska ha det bra, ja. Vakten alla bullfest, bullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn, bullfest, bullfest hela dagen. Stort, det har vi alltid gjort, så det jävlar gå glad, ja.
Is it hot, kuya? Your face got a lot of water.
Because of this.
Ito yung isa ko,
Ito.
galit lagi.
Ito. Busangot.
Always,
Ay, busangot.
huwag
What?
mong iwala yan, Oli.
Piggyback. I want piggyback.
I'm holding a bag. We remember this place. This is where me, Mami, and Eagle, yung first time namin nag-picture dito sa stairs nito. Now we have Olivia with us. Hey, Ollie! Let's go!
Can I now have a piggyback?
Huh?
Can I now have a piggyback?
Okay. Kinakabahan na naman si Mami. You're so high, Ollie. We're at the top of the world. Look at the back. Look there. Look at the view. Wow. It's the fun. Ollie, it's so hot. Can I see? You know how? Ay, galing ah.
We're going back.
Oh, gabi. Are you also scared, Kuya? Oh, okay.
We're safe.
Yeah, we're safe, right? We're safe.
I'm scared.
You're scared also?
It's a beautiful
Why? It's not scary, Ollie. We're here in the castle, Ollie. We're gonna go inside. Maybe you'll see your Prince Charming inside the castle. Excited? Or are you feeling hot?
I feel like a clown.
Feeling hot? Okay.
C'est toi?
Il demandait si ça valait la peine de payer.
Okay.
Ayan sila, Dad. That is the Katipunan.
Okay, reload.
Mm.
1, 3, fire. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Eso sí que yes. Eso sí que yes, señor.
What does it mean?
It is what it is.
Oh,
you know.
you know. You know?
You know, señor, I see. See. So, pababa na kami ngayon. Hindi na kami nag-castle kanina kasi may entrance siya na €12. At saka ito, medyo na siya, grumpy.
Hulas na sa init.
Hulas na, kaya ito, back to pamaypay.
Hello, pababa na yan, bro.
So, ayan, bababa na kami.
So fun.
Really?
Why? That's so fun.
Was it? Can you move there, Kuya?
No.
I thought it was
like
fun.
Jagger?
I thought you're not scared. Move a little bit there.
No.
Just a little bit. Why are you laughing? Huh? Are you not scared? No? Okay, stand up. Here.
Wow!
Here. Oh,
So brave, my
You're
girl.
not allowed. You're not allowed.
Are you not?
Yeah, look. Well, I hear a clap.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, after this,
Punta na kami sa La Sagrada de Familia and in Lararamla.
kakain tayo ng
Paella.
paella. You like paella, Ollie? Like it? Iyak ka na ba ng iyak eh? Okay, see you later.
Klappat hakten alla armar. Fest, fest hela dagen. Hakten alla armar. Fest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fest hela dagen. Stort på stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är bullfest.